Welcome to SalesCaptain. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add a contact manually in. Let's get started. First, head over to your contacts page by clicking Contacts in the sidebar. Now click the Add Contact button up in the top right corner. Go ahead and type in your contact's first and last name right here. Next, enter their email address in the email field. Having this on file means you can send campaigns, invoices, and automated follow-ups straight to their inbox. Now pop in their phone number. This is a big one. Once you have their number saved here, you can call, text, or even add them to automated SMS sequences right from SalesCaptain. Make sure you include the area code so everything routes correctly. Scroll down and click the tags field to add a label like New Lead. If you've set up any custom fields, like lead source or service area, go ahead and fill those in now too. Everything look good? Go ahead and click Save Contact to lock it in. Head back to your contacts list and you'll see your new contact right there. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.